Popeye in the kitchen, sleeves rolled high, big green hands and a gleam in his eye. Crack that shell, hear the butter hiss. He's got a red hot pan for a night like this. Bay leaves down in the garlic brown. He turns that flame, lets the whole room round. Lobster tails laid out like a crown. He's cooking for the whole damn town. Stir it slow, then he smiles at me. Rice like gold in the silver sea. One more squeeze and the spice comes through. Baby, tell me, what can he do? Popeye, Popeye, stir it up. Lobster paella in the iron pan cup. Popeye, Popeye, make it right. Deep voice low and the table feels alive. Popeye, Popeye, bring the heat. Shellfish gold in the saffron sweet. Popeye, Popeye, say my name. One big plate and we all go insane. Popeye, hey! He tosses peas like a lucky charm. Smoke curls up from his giant arm. Tomato shine on the wooden spoon. He's got the whole room under a spell by noon. Muscles open like a grin in a song. He sings real low while the feast rolls on. Every grain gets kissed by the flame. Every bite tastes like a wild night game. Stir it slow, let the juices blend. Round and rich till the edges bend. One more pass, then the feast comes through. Baby, tell me, what can he do? Popeye, Popeye, stir it up. Lobster paella in the iron pan cup. Popeye, Popeye, make it right. Deep voice low and the table feels alive. Popeye, Popeye, bring the heat. Shellfish gold in the saffron sweet. Popeye, Popeye, say my name. One big plate and we all go insane. Popeye. In close with that smoky tone. Says good food tastes best when it's made at home. One spoon left and the pan shines bright. Then he lifts that dish to the evening light.